Hi, good morning. Can I please get a medium caramel iced coffee with cream and sugar?
Medium caramel cream sugar.
Can I also get an avocado toast, please?
Avocado toast. Okay, anything else?
No, that'd be all. Thank you.
Good morning.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling. 'Cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happy
Alright guys, so I just got home and I got my gratis, and I want to show it to you guys real quick what I got, because it seems like you guys got to enjoy my gratis haul from my last video. The gratis that I got for this month is not that much, which is really great because I don't need any more stuff. If you guys hear rain, it's a little bit raining right now, so I'm kind of like, yeah. Anyways, all right, so the first thing that's in my gratis bag is this Beekman 1802. I don't know what's in it. When I first got it, I was like, is that a pair of shoes? I was like, give me a shoe. All right, so I got a lanyard in it, and then, oh, this is really cute. I'll probably use that pin for my badge. And then in here, so it actually looks like this, guys. In here I got the probiotic moisture hydrating I guess it's a cream. So what I like about Beekman is all of their products are actually from goat milk. So or has goat milk in it. So which is I like about it, because goat milks are like really refreshing. And then I got the Beekman Golden Booster Very Vitamin C Serum. Definitely will use this one when my ordinary niacinamide is gone. Vitamins, actually I could use that right now. Vitamin C is really good for you guys. Vitamin C, basically what it does to you is that it gives you that glowy face. I can't really think right now. I just got off work, y'all. It's hot, okay? All right, so the next thing that I got is the Pharaoh Frizz from Brioche. I could never say their company name, but it's from Brigio. It's just for like anti-frizz and stuff. Good thing to travel. I usually keep this when I travel and stuff, so you know I don't have to buy anymore. And then I got another Lancome hydrating eye gel. I still have mine, still hasn't used it. And then I was too excited about this when I saw this. This is the Dermalogica. It's like a moisturizer. I love Dermalogica, y'all. Like I would actually use them, but they're too pricey for me. That's why I don't really use them. But yeah, so this one is like a moisturizer, and it has the SPF 30 in it. And then, all right, give me a second. All right, before I was interrupted, somebody parked right next to me and like literally staring. Oh, it's hot in here. All right, okay, and then I got the Dermablend loose setting powder. Honestly, never really heard of, well, I never really used any from stuff from Dermablend, but they really have this great foundation that it actually can cover your tattoos and stuff. So if you ever need to cover your tattoos for your job, or like, I don't know, something, Dermablend foundation is really good. It has that coverage that you need. And then what else did I got? Oh, and then I got this Restore Power Green from Bio Clarity. Never heard of this. It's probably new, that's coming to Ulta, but I never heard of them actually. And then I just got this code. We get like a free concealer from Lancome. I have until Friday to go get them. All right, so yeah, that's everything that I got from my gratis this month. Maybe this month, from last month, I don't even know. They're so behind. But anyways, I'm about to go inside the house because it's hot and I think the rain has stopped.
Baby, you've been racing through my mind. Made it there in record time. I've seen many pretty faces. You're the only one we're chasing. Think I may be falling in love. I've been getting into you. Usually feelings like this take a minute or two. I've been staying up to 3, thinking about you got me losing my sanity. The way we love, the way we blend, and I'm trying to play it cool, but I just can't pretend. Cause usually we start as friends, but what's given the beginning never get to end. Cause you need me, and I need you tonight. Oh, so baby, don't be late to this fight. You'll reach out, don't you know that we gon' be alright? Cause baby, you've been racing through my mind. Made it there in record time. I've seen many pretty faces. You're the only one we're chasing. Think I may be falling in love. Girl, I just can't help but stare. You know nobody else can take me there. These other ladies, I really love the clothes you wear. Obsessed about the curls up in your hair. It drives me crazy. And don't nobody else compare. Cause what you got is something really rare. Baby, oh. So get ready, set, go. Cause baby, you've been racing through my